Ayo. See from the tip. Yeah. Let's go. Sa my breath kung mubalik kung mo nga napapiyong lang ko asid. Tama na. Can't really figure out that this is still going on. Thinking of why humana na be my name on it. Pain on it, I put the faith on it. Halag lisod suck on, cut on it. Layo nang naabdan, just flow with it. Make sure I'm not the one to throw a fit. Mapario, pwedeng butago, libre, dito na yung sitaw. Sa butago, libre, dito na yung sa akong galingon. Should I listen to someone that's in my head twice? Mind magaling when I explore and compromise. Come luwas ako. Anyway, I will be the one who could deal with me genuinely. Sa mani abay kog na wag tang ninibalik pa ni. Sa kahang nakitaan naka-trigger ani. Open other regions para okay na me. Sa kabaryo pwedeng butago, libre, dito na yung sitaw. Sa butago, libre, dito na yung sa akong galingon. Yeah, hayag kayang sun, yes. But I prefer the one giving me the freedom that I really want. Made me wanna see all these clothes off. 1, 2, 3. So the snake, sunbathing sa gabi. Yeah, you know me, I keep it low-key, burning on my thoughts that is keeping me from being free. With the Shiwaki from the T-Des. Ain't even got that time, I call it business. Dagan nang nahila ka might win the Guinness. That is keeping me from being free. Sa maning heavy sa ko ulo. Keep on gripping me until I go loco. Gamay na lakuan para ako na mamilty. That is keeping me from being free. Sa nabaryo pwedeng mutago. Layo sa tao, layo sa ako. Sa mutago, diri o did.